Hi, I am Yesenia Velasquez. I'm 48 years old and I'm from Mexico City. I've been treating for with I've been treating by Dr. Ilya about 2 months because I was referred to him by one of my sister who is also his patient. Uh, I came to see the doctor because I have a lot of health issues like bronchitis, hormonal imbalance, pain in my joints, and low energy. And I was taking one antidepressant pill, and that's one of the things I don't want to do. To still doing. I don't want to. I was very worried about my health. Then, when I came to see the doctor for my first first treatment, the change that I have was amazing. Was really wow, because I was able to get rid of my pains in all my joints. I was able to do stuff that I couldn't do before. I have a daughter that is 2 years old, and I wasn't able to play with her. I wasn't able to run, to ride bicycles. I don't know, and that's bothered me a lot. I don't, I it was very worried. Don't not to have the enough energy to play with my daughter, not to feel happy, all be tired all the time. But when I came here and I experienced what the doctor Ilya can do was amazing. I feel like wow, this is really different because I was treating for my bronchitis for a long time ago, for many years, and nothing works, nothing. And now I can see the difference a lot because my coughing after the first treatment was much better. It was low. It wasn't the same. Then I continued with the treatment and I started doing the what things that the doctor told me to do to change my lifestyle. And I do it as close as he told me because with a daughter it was difficult for me to do some stuff, but I do the best I can, and it was good because it helped me more. I feel like wow, yeah, I was able to lose 6 pounds. That was that was something that I couldn't do before, and I tried many times and I couldn't do it. In just 1 month, I couldn't lose 6 pounds in a healthy way. That's wow. For me, it's a different. It's like a be in different world. I feel so thankful with Dr. Ilya because my energy is much better. My uh, my mood is better. I feel happy. Uh, I'm more motivated to do my everyday. And one thing that is make me, I can tell you how it's made me feel. Um, I don't find the word to tell you how good I feel that I'm gonna get rid of my antidepressant because that's one of the things I want to stop taking. And I'm doing with Dr. Ilya, I'm reducing this pill and I'm very, very happy for that. And I noticed that in my mood, emotionally, wow, it's a relief for me to do that. So my energy, my motivation, I'm more happy. I feel comfortable to move my body, to run with my daughter, to ride bicycle. That's really something good for me. Really, really, really like the night and day, the difference. So I'm very, very grateful with Dr. Ilya for all the changes that he's doing in my life. Really, I love the holistic treatment that he's using with me. And I I don't know what else to say. Like, I highly recommend you, if you need a doctor, please come to see Dr. Ilya, because he's for sure going to change your life. Thank you so much, Dr. Ilya, for your help.